YouTube? We're back at RWilly Land again. We've been here like every day. I feel like we're filming a video every single day just for you on YouTube, so I hope you're enjoying it. But today, basically, I just felt like riding. It's like overcast, cloudy, so it's like not super hot to ride, and Harley's got a world first he wants to try. Gecko still has his tricks he wants to try, and who knows, I might think of another one and try it as well. But I think we're gonna do some trains to start things off. Hope you enjoy the day. Let's get into some riding. Woo! Yeah, the boys. Oh shit, that's alright. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Oh, what the hell, dude? What happened?
I saw Harley and I tucked in and
oh well, we'll go again. We'll just make it tighter now. Since you crashed, we have to go do it better. Alright, I don't have to do this again. You got a gag. Come on, hold hands. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go away. Oh, that's close, bro. Oh, well. Just stagger it. Oh! Oh, Harley was close. Dude, Harley was close. Harley was right there, spinning next to me. Why were you that close?
You boys are crazy.
No, we're not crazy. Harley's crazy, dude. Harley's the crazy one. You should see my GoPro footage. He is like under my armpit. Like, I don't know what your footage looks like, but the GoPro, it looks like he's literally sitting on my bike with me.
My bad, dude. My bad.
That's all right, made it for a cool shot. Easy. Dude, this is like RWilly Land train. Let's do it. There's like a Nitro Circus show, but RWilly Land version. Hill Willy Circus. Yeah, it's good. Stay in your lane, bro. Yeah. That's dope. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Well, we're back up again. That's good. Oh! And there was one left. Be more nervous waiting. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Hill Willy double flip train. Dude, next time you stack, I'm gonna have to beat you up. We're gonna punch you or something. Whoever crashes this one owes the other one's dinner. Help! Perfect one coming in. 3, 2, 1. Ah, we got it. Wait. We're good. Oh my god. What happened?
Harley crashed and I went, oh!
What happened? Alright, here we go. Hill Willy double flip train. That's it, bro. Oh, thank God. All right, 3 double. Well, first 3 double flip train, huh? I gotta make sure I can do this, but I can do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you'll be right. Oh, nearly. You right? That's all right. We'll get the next one.
it.
Third time's a charm.
Third time's a charm.
You stuffed up, I stuffed up. Now we both get it.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm fine. I know you landed it, but you hit my wheel. Damn it. Ah.
Harley just hit Ryan.
I was gonna land it too.
I landed it.
I know you landed it, I watched you.
Why did you land it?
Because I couldn't rotate because you stopped my wheel.
Bro.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this feels like the best 3 double flip I've ever done. Coming in, oh, where's Harley? Dunk, there he is. Well, he landed it, I didn't, I face planted. Okay. Please don't hit me. Big fun. Yeah, Harley. Sick. Oh, I was so happy not to get hit by you just then. Oh, I'm gonna do a worldie right now, I think. I didn't even do this to the bag, but I like tried it and didn't land it. But I'm gonna give it a go because it will just be pretty chill. And it's getting dark, so I may as well just get it done. Well, first, dono flip on a bike. It's basically an inward with one hand, like this. So you throw it like a tomahawk, and then you hope it comes round. I'll do a half-ass one. If it comes round, then I'll land it second try, I reckon. And then we'll be good. That'll be the video done, because this guy just smashed me in the air. I know what the thumbnail can be. You walloping me mid-air. Far out. Yeah, boy. Oh God, I'm sorry. No, I didn't want to hit Arnie. That's why I was holding on to my bike. I was holding on to my bike because I was going to hit Arnie if I let go. Oh God, I'm sorry. Oh, damn it. Oh, I'll wait till next day. Otherwise I'll land it and it'll be too blurry anyway. Let's vote for Gecko. Gecko, the man of the day. Come on, Gek. Fun trick. Hard trick. Hey! Yeah, boy. Well, here we are again. This is like the fourth day in a row. We've been here till it's been dark, just absolutely hucking tricks. Harley ran me over, or Harley hit me mid-air. Some sort of jet fighter pilot Harley is, taking me out like a kamikaze. Gecko here just did a cashy bar. He's setting up his well first over the big dog. I think he's got him. I think it's way better to do it over that. What do you reckon?
That was easier than the little one.
Yeah, and then you can go a little bit faster. I reckon you got 7 in front of you over too, 100%. You got that for sure.
Too dark to do it now.
Yeah, I know. So, make sure you tune in, make sure you go subscribe, smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already. I mean, you probably did for the collision. I think that kind of deserved it. But yeah, go down and subscribe because we're doing this like every day. It feels like we've been doing well first, or trying to do well first at least, every single day, smashing ourselves. Arnie's getting awesome footage and making epic videos, so go turn those notifications on and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.